Good day, colleagues. As you know, Northwest University is currently transitioning to Academics, our new learning management system. This is an important step in strengthening our digital and learning environment and enhancing the student experience. Thank you to everyone who has contributed so far, from faculty representatives and support teams to colleagues involved in the pilot phase. Your input is shaping both our approach and the support we are putting in place. During May, we began the pilot phase. In the second semester, selected modules will run in Academics to help us test the workflows, identify improvements, and prepare for a wider rollout. At the same time, first-year lecturers are asked to start preparing their 2027 modules in Academics, with the aim that all first-year modules are ready and signed off by the end of 2026. As the rollout progresses, clear timelines and processes will be shared. When it's your turn to engage, we want to encourage you to attend the training sessions, work with faculty support teams, prepare your module content, and please share your feedback with us. We appreciate that this is a significant change. The project team and support structures will continue to guide and assist you throughout. Our goal is not simply to introduce a new system, but to create a stronger and more sustainable digital learning environment for both staff and students. Thank you for your continued commitment to academic excellence. We look forward to working with you as we move into this next exciting phase.